Toffee, it's the box of happy. This is the black cat box. Yeah, one of the best boxes ever. Toffee. We're opening this on her birthday. What's in there? I forgot. Live, laugh, loaf. Yeah. Card. What's this? Oh, it's a cat pill organizer. So if you take your medicines or your vitamins, oh, for your cat even. Interesting. What you picking up at? What is this? Oh, it's this little tarot card. Yeah, it's like a little tarot card book or something. Oh no, it's two little tarot cards. The chunk and the loaf. Oh, I think she likes what she got. Of course, she's a little bitch. And we also got a blanket, which I love when they send blankets. Yeah. Oh, she's working on a hairball. You got a hairball in there? Yeah. We also got the black cat as a bumblebee. I always say you look like a bumblebee. So we got 3 toys for you. And finally, we got a shirt with the little kitties on it. Uh-oh. Here comes the little monster. What are these? What kind of hiss is that? I think they like the little turrets. Toffee.